Last but certainly not least, our solid state drive. This one's pretty awesome, 500 gigs. These things used to be so expensive, but now they're pretty reasonable, and you have lots of fast storage. There it is. So it comes with drive and then this bracket. Some cases you need a little extra thickness, and that bracket just gives you that thickness to mount. Um, Obviously, in our situation, that won't matter. What's nice is these have no moving parts, so we can really just put them anywhere, and it just needs power. So we just got to figure out how this guy plugs in. We go back to those SATA cables that came with the motherboard. And I don't really need a right angle, so I'll just use this one. Sometimes motherboards, your SATA ports are not all the same. You might have a SATA, what do they call them now? I guess 6th generation or 3rd generation. Anyway, these are all the same. They're all 6th gen. They're all the fast kind, which is what we want for a solid state. Newer motherboards might have SATA Express, something like that. And that, in a nutshell, is a fully working computer. It may not look like much, but as they say, she's got it where it counts. All right, next we'll be turning on and setting up the BIOS and then Windows.